Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited because after weeks of research I finally bought the DJI Pocket 4P. What's interesting is I actually almost bought the Insta360 Luna Ultra instead. I spent weeks researching both cameras, visited the stores and even tested them side by side before making my decision. After comparing them in person, I realized the DJI Pocket 4P was the better fit for the way I create videos and for my YouTube workflow. If you enjoy honest tech reviews, unboxings, Apple content, gadget comparisons, and real-world camera tests, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. It really helps support the channel and motivates me to create more content like this. Now, without wasting any more time, let's unbox the DJI Pocket 4P and see what we get inside the box. Before we open the box, let's take a quick look at what makes the DJI Pocket 4P so exciting. At the heart of the Pocket 4P is an advanced dual camera system. It combines a large 1-inch wide-angle camera for immersive everyday shooting with a dedicated 3x telephoto camera, giving you the flexibility to capture everything from expansive landscapes to beautifully compressed cinematic B-roll. The main camera also offers an impressive 17 stops of dynamic range, helping preserve more detail in both bright highlights and deep shadows for a more natural and professional looking image. For video creators, the Pocket 4P can record 4K video at up to 240 frames per second, supports 10-bit D-Log 2 for greater flexibility during color grading, and features ActiveTrack 7.0, allowing the camera to intelligently follow and keep your subject perfectly framed. Everything is stabilized by DJI's renowned 3-axis mechanical gimbal, delivering incredibly smooth and steady footage whether you're walking, traveling, or capturing handheld product shots. On the front, you'll also find a bright 2-inch rotatable touchscreen, making it easy to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. While the built-in 107GB of internal storage lets you start recording straight out of the box without worrying about memory cards. On paper, these specifications look incredibly impressive. But specifications are only one part of the story. Now it's time to open the box, take a closer look at everything inside, and see what the DJI Pocket 4P is really all about. Let's get started. And that's everything included in the DJI Pocket 4P box. These are just my very first impressions. And over the next few weeks, I'll be putting this camera through a lot more real-world testing. I'll be comparing it with my iPhone 17 Pro Max, testing travel videos, cinematic B-roll, low-light performance product shots, panoramas, and plenty of other real-world scenarios to see what this camera is truly capable of. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What would you like me to test next? Is there a specific feature, camera mode comparison, or real world scenario you'd like to see? Leave your suggestions in the comments below because I'll be reading every single one of them, and your ideas could even inspire my next video. If you enjoyed this unboxing, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. And if you enjoy honest tech reviews, gadget comparisons, Apple content, and real world camera testing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming DJI Pocket 4P videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.